Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pastel rainbow tie-dye face masks. Lego. Here are all the materials you'll need. You'll need some tie-dye, you'll need some white face mask, you'll need rubber bands, you'll need gloves, and you'll also need a surface to work on. The first thing you want to do is fold your mask how you want it to create whatever pattern it is that you desire. And then next you want to go in and start rubber banding off those sections. Now these colors will go on dark, but the trick to making this pastel is to not let it sit as long. When we go to wash the tie-dye off of the mask, it will become pastel. Next, what you want to do is take it and place it into a plastic bag. I am going to leave mine for about 30 minutes, maybe an hour, just so I can achieve that pastel look. I do not want it to be too dark. Now is the step where you just run it under some water until the water is clear, and you want to be sure to use cold water. After you've done this step, the next thing for you to do is to let it dry, and then you'll have your super duper face mask. I actually love the way this turned out. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a fat thumbs up, leave some nice comments down below, and subscribe to my channel for more. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.